60 Seconds Property Sense by Janet Becker.
Good morning. Sellers often ask me, what exactly must I disclose? Here are the simple rules. If you know about it, disclose it. Even if you fixed it before. If it was a problem, mention it. Disclosure is not just yes and no. Add detail. When did it happen? Was it repaired? Who fixed it? Is there a guarantee? When in doubt, disclose it. It protects you more than silence ever will. It's often not the big defects that causes the problems. It's the ones people forget to mention. Things like previous damp, even if it was painted over. A geyser that leaked last year but seems fine now. Cracks that was repaired more than once. Doors that swells in summer. These may feel small to you because you lived with them, but to a buyer, that can become a big surprise. If it happened before, mention it. Even if it looks fine today, let me guide you home.